Hi everybody. I am going to do a puddle pour in which I will swirl white into it. This is on a canvas that has, excuse me, I already had a few pours on it. So this will just be another one on top of it. So these were the colors I had initially picked out before I turned the camera on, and now I'm looking at them and I'm like, I don't think so. That looks better. Got Deep Violet, Grumbacher Deep Violet, Artist Loft Phthalo Green, and Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Alrighty. So I'm going to start with some puddles. Whoa, that's a big puddle. And this is my goal is lines. I'm going for lines on this one. So this white is my Dutch Boy Interior Latex paint. I'm going to get the sides right now. And all the paints are mixed just with Floetrol and water. No silicone. And then usually I use like this little plastic PVC kind of thingy. I'm going to use a spatula instead. Do I want this kind? Hang on, peeps. I thought I had... Oops. Well, neither of these is really what I'm looking for right now, but I think I'll use this one. So it's like I'm flipping like pancakes. The last side. Okay. I really want to get the swirl going on here. So it's a far cry from my usual negative space pours, but I'm just really into the swirls lately. little bit more in this corner because the side did not look very good. I think there's something in here. No. There, now the side is covered. It looks much better. And I am quite happy with it. This is you know how I usually like to, don't to touch my paintings. This style I cannot because you're definitely going to see. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. You're definitely going to see the fingerprints. So let me see if those cells are going to become icky or if they will be okay. And if they are going to become icky, then I'm going to have to probably should have just risked air bubbles and not torched. But I might be able to tilt the worst of the ones off. And then also I got rid of that big thing of purple, which I wasn't crazy about. So 2 for 1. Now the purple is on the side and it looks much better there. And those weird cells are gone and I like it so much better without that thick thing of purple. I'm liking it, so I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna mess with it. Surprise, surprise. Whoa, what is going on? It's the side. And there's the side with the purple. Looks much better. Focus. There. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.